A lot of teachers have problems with timing, and they don't understand why they never have time to cover everything they have planned. How can we address the problem? There are several ways to consider. You need to know exactly what your lesson aims are and build your lesson around the most important stages. Obviously, the most important stage in grammar and vocabulary lessons is freer practice. If you never get to freer practice while you're teaching, you deprive your learners from immediately using the new grammar or vocabulary in their language. And if students don't use the new language in a lesson, they don't learn. Try planning backwards. First, think of a speaking task you want your learners to do using the new language. Second, think of the presentation that will help students understand meaning, form, and pronunciation of the new language. Next, plan control practice that will help students practice the new language in restricted conditions. After that, think of a short and engaging lead-in that will help set up the topic of the lesson and raise students' interest. Make sure that everything you have planned helps students produce during the freer practice task. Think of what really helps students practice and remember the new language and prioritize these stages in your lesson planning.